In this session, we will address these issues and discuss how getting the most out of daily Scrum meetings. Therefore, it is appropriate that we get our fundamentals right with this session, starting with the primary goal. According to the Scrum Guide, the Daily Scrum is a 15-minute time-boxed event for the development team to synchronize activities and create a plan for the next 24 hours. The development team uses the Daily Scrum to inspect progress toward the sprint goal and to inspect how progress is trending toward completing the work in the sprint backlog. The Daily Scrum optimizes the probability that the development team will meet the sprint goal. Every day, the development team should understand how it intends to work together as a self-organizing team to accomplish the sprint goal and create the anticipated increment by the end of the sprint. The development team or team members often meet immediately after the Daily Scrum for detailed discussions, or to adapt, or replan, the rest of the sprint's work. Daily Scrums improve communications, eliminate other meetings, identify impediments to development for removal, highlight and promote quick decision-making, and improve the development team's level of knowledge. This is a key inspect and adapt meeting. The Daily Scrum is a really important part of the Scrum framework. It is the team's opportunity to check in with each other, assess their progress against their sprint commitment, and collaboratively plan their day. Unfortunately, a lot of teams don't seem to get the most out of these potentially crucial self-management sessions.